Ngiyabingelela emakhaya kwababukayo, ngibingelela nabafethu la abakhona la ngaphakathi. Mina igama lami ngumlungisi waMagwaza, ngihlala khona la eThokoza. Ngi-student nami sakhona la eNdonsa, ngifike kiwo lo nyaka, noma ngifike isikhathi bese sithe ukuhamba kancane. Well, mina ngenza i-instrument la i-keyboard, yona into engiyithanda nje kakhulu ukudlula ngisho intombi yami. Ngicabanga ukuthi ukukhuluma kakhulu ziningi izinto nje esengizifundile since ngifikile, but then noma ngingakaneliseki ngengifisa ukwazi noma ngomuntu engiyeke ngithi mangisipicture based on music, kakhulu ukudlala i-keyboard because yona into engidesperate ngayo kakhulu njengamanje. So ngiyangibona ngazi ukuthi lokho engikwaziyo njengamanje angeke ngize ngikubize nge-achievement mina ngokwami, because kuningi engikufunayo. So as much as ngifundiswa uMr Buthelezi, so ngelilanga ngiyangizibona nami ngidlala njengaye amakhizo yabo. So as much as engafikile lapho, I wouldn't say ukuthi khona ngiku-achievile. So ngiyafisa ukuthi ngikhule, ngikwazi ukuthi ngimaster i-keyboard entirely, no music as a whole, because intention ukukhanda music from the scratch. Nakhona not just ama-genres athize, wonke nje ama-genres kahle ya side reader nakho ngifuna uku-improve. Well, ngiyakwazi, but then ngoba ngisho ukuthi ngimodel beast la, so as much as ngibona ukuthi angakayifiti ngendlela eyanele noma ngendlela engifuna ngayo, so I wouldn't say khona sengiku-achievile. So those are the things engisifunayo, and mhlawumbe angikwazi nokukhuluma isikhathi eside, but ngizosho nje into esimple ukuthi ebantwaneni abasemadladleni abakhona ababukelayo, no whoever ozobona le visual, ungazwakala indodza uzoregister for unyaka ozayo, uzofunda izinto ezitop if ever une-drive music noma une-passion. Kuningi ozokuthola okuzokusiza as much as sekulesi sikhathi nami ngiyabona ngifile ngazi ukuthi ngibe late kakhulu ukufika esikolweni nabo, because manje ziningi izinto engabe ngisifundile noma engabe ngiyakwazi ukuzi-apply. So mina nginazo into ngiyabonga.
Shaya izandla. So it's all about ekugcineni into ayifisa uyi-achieve yena is to learn ama-keys ne-oral, all basically for ama-benefits ukuthi abe ne-studio sakhe akwazi ukwenza he's creating his own music or his own record label where azobe esebenza nje wonke ama-genres. Yabo. Can we have the next person?